Prepping is simply being prepared. In this video, we will delve into the world of preparing for crises. It's about taking proactive steps to ensure that you and your loved ones are ready for any unexpected situations that might arise. This could range from minor inconveniences to major crises. It means having a plan and supplies for emergencies. This includes having enough food, water, and medical supplies to last for several days. It also means knowing what to do and where to go if you need to evacuate your home. Emergencies can be anything from a power outage to a natural disaster. They can happen without warning and can disrupt your daily life. Being prepared helps you handle these situations more effectively and reduces the stress and anxiety that come with them. Being prepared gives you peace of mind. Knowing that you have a plan and the necessary supplies can make a big difference in how you feel during an emergency. It allows you to stay calm and focused, which is crucial in any crisis. It means you can take care of yourself and your family. Prepping is not just about survival. It's about maintaining a sense of normalcy and comfort during difficult times. It's about ensuring that your family's needs are met, no matter what happens. Prepping doesn't have to be scary or expensive. You don't need to buy everything at once or spend a lot of money. Start with the basics and gradually build up your supplies. Look for sales and discounts and prioritize the most important items first. You can start small and build up your supplies over time. Even a small emergency kit can make a big difference. Add a few items each week or month, and before you know it, you'll have a well-stocked supply that can help you through various emergencies. Focus on the most likely emergencies in your area. Different regions face different risks, so tailor your preparations to the specific threats you might encounter. This could include severe weather, earthquakes, or other local hazards. This could be anything from severe weather to job loss. Financial emergencies can be just as disruptive as natural disasters. Having a financial safety net and a plan for unexpected expenses is an important part of prepping. Every step you take towards preparedness is a step in the right direction. It's about being proactive and taking control of your situation. The more prepared you are, the better you'll be able to handle whatever comes your way. Start with the basics. When preparing for emergencies, it's crucial to have a well-thought-out plan and the right supplies. This ensures you and your loved ones can stay safe and comfortable during unexpected situations. Water is the most important resource. It's essential for drinking, cooking, and hygiene. Without it, survival becomes incredibly difficult. Aim for 1 gallon of water per person per day. This amount covers basic needs and helps prevent dehydration. Food is next. Store non-perishable items like canned goods, rice, and beans. These items have a long shelf life and provide essential nutrients. Consider a variety of foods to keep meals interesting and balanced. A first aid kit is crucial for handling injuries. Make sure it includes bandages, antiseptics, pain relievers, and any personal medications. Regularly check and restock your kit. Other essentials include a flashlight, a radio, and extra batteries. These items help you stay informed and navigate in the dark. Opt for LED flashlights for longer battery life. Having a whistle can help signal for help. It's a simple yet effective tool for attracting attention in emergencies. A hand crank weather radio keeps you informed during power outages. It doesn't rely on batteries, making it a reliable source of information. Don't forget sanitation supplies like soap, hand sanitizer, and toilet paper. Maintaining hygiene is vital to prevent illness, especially when access to regular facilities is limited. Prepping doesn't have to break the bank. With some smart strategies, you can build a solid emergency supply without overspending. Start by gradually stocking up on extra food and water. This way, you can spread out the cost over time and avoid a large upfront expense. Buy a few extra cans of food each time you go to the grocery store. These small additions will add up over time, creating a robust pantry. Look for sales and coupons. They can significantly reduce your grocery bill, allowing you to buy more for less. Consider buying in bulk to save money. Bulk purchases often come at a lower price per unit, making it a cost-effective option for non-perishable items. You can also preserve food by canning or dehydrating. These methods extend the shelf life of your food, ensuring you have supplies that last. Learn basic DIY skills like sewing and basic repairs to reduce reliance on outside resources. This can save you money and make you more self-sufficient. Remember, every little bit helps. Each small step you take towards preparedness adds up, creating a more secure and resilient future for you and your family. Learning basic skills can make a big difference in an emergency. Start with first aid and CPR training. Knowing how to build a fire can provide warmth and a way to cook food. Learn how to purify water using boiling, tablets, or a filter. Basic gardening can provide fresh food in a long-term emergency. Other useful skills include basic self-defense, map and compass navigation, and knot tying. Prepping is a journey, not a race. Don't feel overwhelmed. Start small and gradually build up your supplies and skills. Focus on one step at a time. Every bit of preparation counts. Remember, you are not alone. There are many resources available to help you. Connect with other preppers online or in your community. The most important thing is to start preparing today. Your future self will thank you.